Greetings. Good morning. I wanted to come out here and talk to y'all some more about my platform. But real talk, we are here to build the back end of your brand, the structure, your website, get your social media business pages. Because a lot of you are also on social media and you don't know how to separate the business from the personal page. And like I tell everyone, they start a business, the first thing they do is go create another page, which is incorrect. You already have a page that you own with your personal name, your government name, just like LinkedIn. When you set up a LinkedIn page, you have to set up with your government information. Although some of us don't, are setting up, you know, different names, but I'm talking to people who are running a business. So when you set up, you have to go inside of your Facebook page and create the business page, which they don't call them business pages. They may call them what are some of the well, I can't think off the top of my head right now, but we they used to say, come follow or come follow this page or like this page. Now, you just follow the page. You click the button, you click follow. They have changed these pages over and over and over time, but everything still remains the same as to how do you create that page and how do you post on that page. And I did a video, which I have on YouTube, that shows you how to switch back and forth. Because the thing is, we have to separate the two. It's okay to post on your page, especially when you're trying to get your brand out there, but you got to learn the right etiquette, because when you want to connect and integrate your pages with other third-party softwares such as StreamYard is not going to let you connect with that personal page. It has to be a business page. It has to be a page where when you go in, you say this is the type of page it is. If it's a business, or are you a influencer? You know, whatever your niche is, that's what your page should be under a business platform. People should be able to go to your page and follow you. If you have to log in and put in a password, that is not a business page. All right. But enough about that. I just wanted to really come in here to explain to many of you how important it is. Even some of my brick and mortar businesses out here. I have went to a lot of small businesses that are brick and mortar, and they don't have a legitimate website, or they threw up something. They went online and found a company that they're paying a subscription to, and it doesn't it really doesn't do much, or it doesn't attract people to their business, and they're out here working hard. Like I said, you don't have a marketing issue, you have an infrastructure problem. That means that you don't have a solidified website where you're able to really monetize. And that's why I joined High Level. I joined High Level to be able to monetize, because High Level offers so many aspects to this platform. And so I added in my post, but you're replacing Mailchimp, and there are other email softwares out here that we are used to hearing about for years, but we're replacing those emails softwares, which you're paying at least $30 a month for it. We're replacing Zoom and any other way to talk to people virtually. It's all inside of this platform. We're replacing Hootsuite. And now, like I said, there's other platforms out here that also are social media. That's a part of a marketing tool. If y'all be trying to understand how to market your business, what tools you need a tool that allows you to post one time, and it goes to all your platforms. Now, the key is graphic design. By now, everyone is using Canva, and Canva gives you the templates. The only thing is, on each platform, you have to make sure that the graphics are done exactly in the window it fits. And if you use Canva, Canva gives you the template and gives you It gives you the sizes and the templates of different, kind to choose from. Okay. So you're already using Canva. So you create those designs. And what I love for Canva, lets you resize it, and all you do is kind of move everything around to adjust it. But that is having a business, running it on your own. Those are the things you have to do when you don't have the funding to afford the people to pay to outsource it to someone to do it for you. So, and that's what we do. We build the content, we size it up for you, and we post it for you. And that's what I love about High Level. If you're a own business owner, yeah, you're doing it to learn it for yourself first, because then now you can hire as many admins as you want to manage it for you after you learn how to use it. Anything new, y'all, is going to be rough to learn. Everything new is a challenge. But you got to be intentional in wanting to learn, how to use this. You got to be, you got to move your feet, your arms, your legs, your eyes, your hands, your wrists, and you got to take notes, and you have to be intentional, because this is your business. Like I tell everybody, no one's going to hold your hand unless you're going to go to school and pay $1,000 for that time, because it costs money for people to teach these things. I can't teach what I know because it's too much. I'm here, you hire me to build it. You learn from me as I'm building. You will learn a lot. Then when I finish building your platform, I give you a video at the end. I train you and we record it so you can now go back and see what we spoke about, because it takes time. And I have 50,000 things going on in my life, and I don't have that time and luxury to go and teach someone a lot of things that is to learn when it comes to marketing. So that's why you hire your weakness so you can focus on your strength. That is something that my life influencer has embedded in me. Hire your weakness so you can focus on your strength, because you can't do something that is not your strength. It's going to be a struggle. You're going to keep passing out. People spend more money and don't realize it. Spend more money not knowing how to do things. Now you worry about paying someone professional to do it, but when you doing, you wasting it yourself, because I done spent $1,000 and I still ain't seeing anything, and that's because it's not in your expertise. And there are a lot of things that are involved with branding. There are little tids and outs and things that people who are in this field that do for your brand. So hire your weakness so you can focus on your strength. I didn't want this to be drawn out long. I wanted to come out here to stress the importance of having an infrastructure that backs your business. Your business needs something to rely on. So this system is only $97 a month, so that you can come on here and do it yourself. Y'all can do it yourself. What I love about High Level, they are intentional when they bring you into this platform. You got all the help you need. They have customer service that will help you through it. Once you sign up, there's a 14-day trial. So let me be clear. When you sign up for a 14-day trial, they're going to make sure that that card is active and that you have the balance. And they're not going to take that money until 14 days. This company is legitimate. So you will never have any issues, y'all, with getting your money if you decide, you know what, I can't do this. But what I am saying is that we're going to replace these platforms that you're already paying subscriptions for one bill, which is only $97 a month. Now, if you want me to build your platform, I'm building a landing page for you for $2,500, and I'm going to make sure it's one of the best landing pages you've had. Because again, yeah, you can go in there, you build your landing page, and you can save your money. But what we do, we go a little deeper. We SEO it. We build content. You get content. We SEO it. We make sure that you're going to be found on Google, and that takes technique, and it takes time, and it takes a lot of content building to make that page on that landing page, go live. And then the same for your website. We're building your website for 5,000. We're not asking you to pay that all up front, but if you have it, cool. But we will work with you. We have other ways to help you pay for your branding. Remember, you're not paying me, you're paying your branding. I am the seed to help get that branding done. And I also get blessed in the interim of building your platform. So again, y'all have a blessed day. I just wanted to again come out and bring awareness to my platform. Join my group. I have videos already in the group that explains the back end in detail. And if you want to go ahead and check out or go in or go check out my link, go to elevationlegacysystems.com. So again, y'all, have a blessed day, and I will see you again soon. Peace, love, and blessings.